Very warm wishes of the day, dear students. I hope everyone is staying home and staying safe. Everyone is well too. You must have enjoyed your vacations too. I welcome you all back to your virtual classes. After enjoying the vacations, it's really high time to get back to your learning track. So I welcome you back to your virtual classes. Before I actually start my class, let's start the day with a beautiful message which says gratitude help us to see what is there instead of what is not there. So basically students, you should always focus on what you have and what you can do with that instead of focusing what you do not have, because if you do not have those things you cannot do anything. But if you have something, you can make the best out of it. So students, your gratitude help you to see what is there, and you should always go ahead with that. Hello everyone, this is Kunjan. I welcome you all to my GK classes. Today we are going to discuss the 3 important chapters, which are Amazing Fact, second is Woman Chief Minister, and third is Cinema. We will be discussing the important facts related to all these chapters here. I'll be explaining you the things one by one, and then we will be discussing all the parts. Now, before I actually start my class, I would request everyone to please listen to the video first and then write the answers. Do not just simply copy the answers whenever I am writing. Please, it's a request. Do not just copy the answer, because it will never help you to learn the things for a better time or for some good time. If you want that these GK answers to retain in your mind for a longer time, then you must follow the given advice and work accordingly. So let's start. So this is your GK book. Now what you have to do is, first thing is you have to fill this page, my personal diary, paste your photograph here and fill all the details. Ask in this your name, father contact number, in everything. I just wanted to have one suggestion in this, that whenever you are writing for your mother, if she's a working lady, you can write working lady, or even you can mention the occupation. But if she's a housewife, please do not write this word housewife. You can simply write your mother is a homemaker. Instead of the word housewife, you can simply write homemaker. This is a better word which you can use to describe your mother. I would always love to describe my mother as a homemaker. And not only the homemaker, she is my maker too, because she has made me this, that I'm standing in front of you and teaching you. So she owns a very special place in my heart. Okay, first topic is amazing facts. There are some facts given. We will be studying about this fact and you will be amazed to know. That is why these facts are always called as amazing fact, because you always get surprised. Actually, this is so. Why? How come? So we are not aware. So these are some of the facts which you should keep on reading. Even you can search them on the net also. So let's discuss. First thing is related to the globe. As you can see, the earth, not the globe. Okay, 1 year on earth is how much long? This is 365.26 days long. Have you ever heard the day is 1.4 long? Well, these are written in some other terms. So these are amazing fact you must enjoy whenever you study. Okay, 1 day is basically 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds long. The extra day in a leap year was introduced so as to compensate the discrepancy in the Georgian calendar. So basically the leap year concept was introduced so that we can compensate the discrepancy in the Georgian calendar. Next is the Siachen Glacier. Let's read about this. Siachen Glacier on the Indo-Pak border is the world's largest non-polar glacier, and thus it is sometimes referred to as third pole also. You must have been studying about the 2 poles, but this is often referred to as the third pole because it is the world's largest non-polar glacier. Now, the next thing is related to zero. Is there any fact related to zero also? Let's find it out. Zero was the first used in India. Aryabhatta, he was born in 4 by 6 AD. He was the first mathematician to treat zero as a number. Otherwise zero was not used. So he was the first one that he used to treat zero as a number. Now these are the rings given. Can you identify? These are the Olympic ring. Each color, these colors, they have particular meaning. And even everything related to Olympics, the motto, the slogan, the mascots, these all have very important meanings. Okay, motto is written here also. It is Citius, Altius, Fortius. These are basically the Latin words. They actually mean swifter, higher, stronger. Citius, Altius, Fortius means swifter, higher, stronger. Next is a fact that Mawsynram in Meghalaya. Mawsynram is a place in the state of Meghalaya. It is the wettest place. That means it receives the highest annual rainfall of about 467 inches. So Mawsynram basically is the place in India which receives the highest amount of rainfall. Next is about the India. There are about 325 languages. Can you tell me how many languages you can speak? So there are more than 325 languages in the whole world, but in India there are about, these are just a rough number, an approximate number, that 325 languages and dialects being used in India, much more than any other country. These are this number is much more than any of the other country in the world. Can you recognize this? This is something written in Chinese. So Chinese language is made up of more than 50,000 symbols. Okay, so each symbol represents a syllable or a concept instead of a sound. Instead of a sound, each symbol represents a syllable. So Chinese language has more than 50,000 symbols. This is quite great. So next thing is women chief ministers. Basically these are the names written here. What you have to do is, these are the name of the states and name of the woman chief minister is given to you. You have to tell, like Suchita Kriplani. Suchita Kriplani was the chief minister of which state? Okay, so let's find it out, because women have served and they have been inspiring other women also to grow. So let's find the answers. Suchita Kriplani. Suchita Kriplani was once the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. Now students, before you write the answers, I would suggest you that there are total 17 women chief ministers on this page that have been asked to you, right? So what you can do is, you can listen to the first 9. Just break the page into 9 and 8, right? So what you can do is listen to the first 9. After I finished, pause the video, write the answers in your book by yourself. Whatever you have heard, it may be wrong, it may be right. Whatever you have heard, you can just write after listening to me and after pausing the video. Then you can check your answers, and then if all are correct, then you can simply give a pat on your back. Otherwise, if any one is wrong, listen to the video once again carefully and then write the answers. After completing the first 9, you can again listen to the another 8 left over women chief ministers and then write the answers in your book. Follow the same procedure whenever I am explaining you the static part. These are really helpful in your competitive exams whenever you are studying the static part, because static part has a very good option. The question and the answer will never change in static part, so you can always remember these things in your heart, in your mind, wherever, like these things you can always just remember, because there is no changing in this. Sucheta Kriplani, she was once the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. It will never change. These are the static part, and these type of question do helps you in your competitive exam. So let's start before we are too late. Let's start. Sucheta Kriplani, as I told you, you can just write the answer in the given space like this. You can also take the help of the help box whenever you are writing. Now next is the Nandini Satpathy. Nandini Satpathy was once the chief minister of Odisha. Now here in the help box you may find the word Orissa. Orissa was once used, now the name is changed to Odisha. The newer name of Odisha is Odisha. So you must always write the name Odisha, okay? Now next is Shashikala Kakodkar. Shashikala Kakodkar. Shashikala Kakodkar was once the chief minister of Goa. These all are women, and these all have served as the chief minister. So next is Sayyida Anwara Taimur. Sayyida Anwar Taimur was once the chief minister of Assam. Next is Janaki Ramachandran. Janaki Ramachandran was once the chief minister of Tamil Nadu. You can find the tricks to learn these names by yourself. If you know anything, if you can make any, okay, like this Anvara, I would relate this with Assam somehow, so that I can remember. I'll take this A, I'll take this S, and the name of the state with A and S, it quickly strikes in my mind, that is Assam. So you can make your own tricks so that these are retained in your memory for a longer time. Next is Jayalalitha. Jayalalitha was in the news also. So she was once the Prime Minister of Tamil Nadu only. Now, before actually looking back to the screen or looking back to the video or in your book, can you tell me which chief minister name I have just mentioned just before Jayalalitha? It was Janaki Ramachandran. So what you can do is, whenever you just heard about Tamil Nadu, just try to recall the earlier name also, like Jayalalitha Tamil Nadu. Earlier I have read about Janaki Ramachandran, right? So you can always relate the things. Try to build the concept map in your mind so that you can relate the things, and the more things you relate, the more it will help you to learn. Okay? Next thing is, and also these just don't help you to learn, means ये सिर्फ आपको help करने के लिए ही learn करने के लिए ही help नहीं करते हैं. Sorry, ये थोड़ा सा, yes, now I think screen is visible. ये सिर्फ आपको लर्न करने के लिए ही हेल्प नहीं करते हैं. Whenever you try to relate, you will be able to grab more knowledge. You will be able to abstract more knowledge out of the same. So you can always relate the things. This is the best way to study whenever you study. And even if you know anything that is happening in the current related to Tamil Nadu, you can also add it to your knowledge box, because knowledge and learning, it never ends. It has no end, especially in GK. There is no end. It's full of variety, and there is much more than these 2 to 3 pages. There is much more than in GK. So let's move ahead with our work. It's Mayawati. Mayawati was once the woman chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. If I just ask you Uttar Pradesh, I have mentioned it earlier also. Who was the person? It was Sucheta Kriplani. This was the first name that we have read. Sucheta Kriplani and Mayawati, these were the women chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. Now Rajinder Kaur Bhattal. As you can see, Kaur is written, and Kaur you can easily relate with Punjab. So always try to find the hints in the given words, in the given question, that help you to grab the knowledge better and also help you to learn better. Okay. Now next is Rabri Devi. Rabri Devi is very popular name. She was once the woman chief minister of Bihar. Next is Sushma Swaraj. She was also the popular name. She was once the chief minister of Delhi. If I talk about the next one, again very popular, Sheila Dikshit ji. She was also once the chief minister of Delhi. So you can always write Sushma Swaraj and Sheila Dikshit. They both belong to Delhi. If I talk about in the terms of woman chief minister. Next is Uma Bharti. Uma Bharti, she was once the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh. Next in the line is Vasundhara Raje. Vasundhara Raje, as you can see the word Raje, so the state name is Rajasthan. So you can always relate with the hint given in the question itself. You always need not to cram the things. You can always find the given hints in the question. Next is Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee was once the woman chief minister of West Bengal. West Bengal. Next is Anandiben Patel. If you know this surname, this Patel, these are basically from Gujarat, because if you hear these names and these people, you will found most of them belonging to Gujarat. I will not say everyone, but you may found more of these Anandiben Patel, this word Ben and Patel in Gujarat side. Mehbooba Mufti. Also, I would like to clear here, this is my general idea to learn the things. I'm not telling you this is the exact thing. I'm just telling you that you can learn through these if you know such things about states or cities. If you can know. Mehbooba Mufti, she was once the woman chief minister of Jammu and Kashmir. Here I will write Jammu and Kashmir only, because when she was the woman chief minister, she belonged to this state only. Right now I know the things are different, but whenever we are mentioning Mehbooba Mufti, she was once the woman chief minister of Jammu and Kashmir only. Now moving ahead for the third page, for the third chapter, it is cinema. If you have interest in movies, you will be easily able to answer, and you will be also interested in knowing the facts related to cinema. Okay, so again the help box is given. Again I would suggest you that almost 20 questions are given. What you can do is you can simply bifurcate the page into two parts, into 10 questions at one go and another 10 questions at one go. Just pause the video, write your answers in your book, whatever you learn, whatever you remember. It will definitely help you to learn better if you follow the advice. Now first question is first Hindi film without songs. That means this was one of the first Hindi film in which no songs were there. It was Raja Harish Chandra. This was the name of the movie. Harish Chandra. Raja Harish Chandra was the first Hindi film in which no songs were there. India's first historic film. India's first historic film is Elam Era. This question I have seen in the competitive exams many a times whenever something is related to the static part. You know, the best thing about the static part is these answers and these questions will never change. Straight away the question will come in this form only, that which is the India's first historic film. If you have been given the objective, you will be given the options as well. If you have not been given the options, then you can always write Elam Era. This answer will never change. This is the best part of the static thing, which I like. If I talk about the current affairs, they keep on changing. Whenever a new day begins, things get changed, the news get changed. So you must remember this static part, because these do help you, because you will never regret learning these things. Now India's first multi-star film, it is India's first multi-star film is Waqt. First Indian woman on screen. Who was the first Indian woman who was featured in a film? She is Miss Durga Bai Kamath. Durga Bai Kamath. She is the first woman on the screen, first Indian woman on the screen, first color film in the world. Earlier, if you see the movies of the late a very earlier time, they were black and white. So first colored film in the world is Cupid Angeline. Cupid Angeline. First Hollywood film dubbed in Hindi, means a Hollywood film was made and also it was also made in Hindi, means it was dubbed in Hindi. Movie was same, only the voice was recorded in Hindi. So this is Jurassic Park. You must have seen this movie also. Jurassic Park. Now the next question says, first female child star to act in an Indian film and daughter of Dada Saheb Phalke. The father of cinema is Dada Saheb Phalke, and in his name, to honor him, we do give the Dada Saheb Phalke awards also to the best stars, to the best Bollywood stars. So first female child star who started acting in Indian films, and she was also the daughter of Dada Saheb Phalke. You have heard the name earlier also. She is Durga Bai Kamath only. Durga Bai Kamath was the first lady who was featured on the screen. So she was the basically child star who acted in Indian film, and she was the daughter of Dada Saheb Phalke. First Indian film to win the Oscar, dress designing. See, there are many awards that are given in many categories. So first Indian film who has won the Oscar, in which category? In the dress designing. So first Indian film that has won this award is Bhanu Athaiya. Bhanu Athaiya. Now, first Hollywood film to win 11 Oscar awards, means it's a great achievement if you are winning 11 Oscar awards. So this was the first Hollywood film if you are winning 11 Oscar award. This movie was Ben-Hur. Now the next is first National Film Festival. It was held where? Since it's national, you can always find the answer as Delhi. First National Film Festival was held at Delhi. Most of the national events, most of the national conferences, summits, visits are mostly done in Delhi. So this is quite easy to remember if you read the current affairs also. I'm not saying all, again I'll clear my words. I'm not saying all, in general. It means this is the common perception. Now the next is the first actress recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Now who has won the first Dada Saheb Phalke Award? As I told you that to honor Dada Saheb Phalke, we do give Dada Saheb Phalke Award. So the first recipient, means the person who has won, was Devika Rani. Devika Rani is the first person, is the first actress who has received this Dada Saheb Phalke Award. First Indian actor who has played double roles. So he is Ashok Kumar. Ashok Kumar was the first person who has played double roles. Now this question I think I need not to even answer. Where is Bollywood? Everyone knows this is in Mumbai, India. Where is Bollywood? It's in Mumbai. Mumbai is the city of dreams. It is often referred to as city of dreams. India's first black and white cinemascope film. So this was the first black and white cinemascope film. This movie is Kagaz Ke Phool in Hindi. Basically Kagaz Ke Fool. Okay, the next question is, when was Bollywood created? It was created in the year 1896. So where is Bollywood? It's in Mumbai. And when was it created? It was created in 1896. Now the next question is, first stunt woman in Indian cinema. You must have heard about men. So I'm talking about the first stunt woman. First stunt woman in Indian cinema is Nadia. She was the first stunt woman in Indian cinema. Okay, now the first actress to receive the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. I guess this question is repeated, so the answer will not get changed. It's still Devika Rani only, because Devika Rani was the first actress. Okay, first actress who was the recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Next question is, which is the first film in the world? Now I'm talking about the complete world. Okay, so the first film in the world is The Story of Kelly Gang. The Story of Kelly Gang was the first film in the world. Okay, now, who is the most famous silent movie actor? Means even without speaking anything, just by his action, he is one of the famous silent movie actor. He is Charlie Chaplin. Also, if I talk in terms of actress, Greta Garbo. Greta Garbo and Charlie Chaplin are the most famous silent movie actors. What is the music in India called? Means the music, it has been given a term, and in India it is called as Indian pop music. So these were the 20 questions related to cinema. I hope you have gathered lots of information about the woman chief minister, about the amazing facts, and about the cinema. So students, that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you all for listening. God bless you all. Thank you everyone.